Oh my gosh, it's stuck. I got it. What's up guys, it's MaCenna and it is totally January and it's like totally 2019. The beginning of the year is always about new year, new me, new beginnings, and everyone's like really incredibly optimistic and I think a little bit happier. Is that just me that thinks that? I don't know. I feel like people are just like, I want to get in shape and I want to do all these things and the possibilities are endless. It's the new year. It's crazy. So because it's a new year and a new you and a new me and a new everyone, thought it would be fun to make an updated video about desk decor. Desk essentials, things that you just need on your desk just to be your best self and work in a cute environment or do homework in a cute environment or whatever you do on a desk. Maybe you draw, maybe you need to feel creative, maybe you do your homework, maybe you work from home. I hope these DIY desk accessories is going to bring you all the inspiration that you need to be your best self and to be the new you. So I'm the type of person that's really big on goal setting and affirmations and putting post-its in random places to give myself motivation and empowerment and all of that. You've probably seen other of your favorite YouTubers do a vision board this year already, and if you haven't done yours, this is a sign. If you're waiting for a sign, this is a sign. You need to do your vision board. We are going to be doing a vision board in today's video, but that's just one of the DIYs that we're going to be doing today. And I have a few tips for you on how to make your vision board extra special. And maybe you don't know what to put on your vision board. Maybe you haven't done it because you can't see the potential and what a vision board can bring you. Maybe you're killing it and your vision board's amazing, or maybe this will give you some ideas to add more to your vision board. So let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to make is our vision board, and that's going to kind of kick off our like vibe for our desk decor. So for my version of a vision board, you are going to need some cute fabric, and the thicker the fabric the better. So look in the home decor section because it's going to have really thick fabric and they have like great stuff to choose from. And then instead of going and buying a bulletin board or something, you can totally use a cardboard box that you got from a purchase or a shipment. That's why we're going to use fabric, because you're not going to see what's underneath. So it doesn't matter. Just spend the money on some cute fabric, because not only is the fabric going to help make it cuter, it's also going to kind of fill in some space. So if you kind of don't have enough pictures somewhere in a certain area, it'll still look cute and you won't have to overthink where to put stuff. I was going to use this box, but then I found a white foam core board that I got from the dollar store. So that's equally as cheap if you want to go get one of these. So the first thing that we are going to do is get our fabric onto our board. You're going to take your cute fabric. Look at that! How cool comes to shirt? Oh, the struggle is real. Ah! It's coming out so fast. Don't come out anymore. Now you have a super cute board that we can put really cute pictures on. So if you're struggling with what to put on your board, I have some questions for you. These are questions that I asked myself to kind of give me guidance on what the heck am I supposed to do this year? What has been a goal that you've set for yourself every year, but you've never actually accomplished? So for me, it's living a healthier lifestyle and getting fit. I fail. Some years I've actually done it, but have I kept doing it? Nah. So that sucks. So this year, everything changes. I kind of feel like that at the beginning of every year, so we'll see how this goes. I've got a girl running, wearing cute clothes, because do I really want to get fit to, or do I really want to be able to wear yoga clothes all day and look like this? I've got your girl Erica Costell looking bomb because she's goals. Drink more water, eat healthy. In 3 months from now, you'll thank yourself. Okay. The second question, what is something that you daydream about that you wish was reality? For me, I want to travel everywhere and anywhere. Your girl's going to Coachella, got pictures of passports. We going international. I'm actually going to Mammoth really soon. Italy, because your girl's going to Italy. One day, she's gonna get to Italy. What is something that I do that annoys me so much that I wanna stop doing? I have a tendency to procrastinate on things that I don't wanna do. Anything that involves adulting, I don't wanna do. So, I wanna plan more, focus. I'll write like a little quote, just get it done. This one's probably the most important one. What do you already do that you love and that you wanna do more of? 2018 was totally eye-opening to me. I tapped back into my creative side. I started my YouTube channel. So hit the subscribe. I've got some paint, girl doing yarn, video, do what you love. I don't want to lose sight or vision of what's truly making me happy. So let's put everything on the board, kind of grouped together, and see how it turns out. Next, we're going to be making some really cute, kind of small little bowls or trays for paper clips and push pins and little small stuff for your desk. This would be great for jewelry too. Jewelry. And it's actually going to be made out of felt. And in the bottom, we're going to put these like cute little mirrors. This is actually pretty easy to make little DIY. You can pick any color felt you want. So if you've got like a really minimalistic white vibe going on, you can do white or black. Or if you like color, you could do turquoise or pink or yellow. And you're gonna need some thread or yarn. First thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna take your felt and one of your mirrors and place it about an inch from the edge on both sides. And we're gonna make the felt an inch larger than the mirror and then cut it out. So next we're gonna hot glue our mirror right into the center of the felt. And we're gonna basically, you're just gonna fold it up and pinch it together like that. And then right where you pinched it, we're gonna use our needle and thread and sew it tight. So you're just gonna do that on all four sides and we're done. So next we're gonna be making kind of a super cute calendar to go on the wall because you've got your vision board, but if you don't have a plan and a calendar and know what month or even what day it is, like I do most of the time, how are you ever gonna make your dreams and your vision become reality? So I've picked up some super cute paper, probably spent way too long matching the paper to the vibe of the month. So I've already cut the paper to 8.5 by 11, and we're gonna be doing the calendar like long ways like this. So it's gonna be cute paper and then calendar on the bottom. And I made my own graphic for the calendar. So if you guys want my calendar and my graphics, I'll put a link down below so that you can download it too. It's really simple and script and cute for your wall. And then I thought for an extra special touch, in order to keep your vision going, you can actually add in some kind of inspiration or vision pictures to the cute side of the paper, which I thought was really cute, and kind of make this like your goal for the month, so it's right there in your face every time you look at the calendar. So first we're going to be doing some gluing. On the front of every page is going to be your month, and then on the back is going to be the pretty picture for next month. So we're gonna be kind of gluing the two of those together. So when you flip it up on the wall, you have just one continuous sheet. Put some glue along the edges and just glue January right on top. Voila. So just do this to all of your months and then we'll get started on the next step. So next up, you're gonna be taking a hole punch. For some reason, I can't find my single hole punch anywhere, so I'm gonna have to use one of these guys. So at the top, you're gonna be putting 2 holes, and at the bottom, you're gonna be putting 1 hole. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. I got it. So next you're gonna stack all of your pages on top of each other, matching up all of the holes. We're gonna use some of this macrame yarn because it kind of goes with everything else in my house. And then just tie a knot on each side. Like this. So now they're connected just with 2 little knots. And now we're going to make our final knot at the top and we're all done. So I hope you guys like these DIYs and you are inspired to make not only a vision board, but some cute desk accessories for your own desk at home. And if you did like this video, definitely show some love below by hitting the like button and commenting on which one was your favorite. I post new videos every week, so if you guys want to follow along on my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys! Put it on the board. Duh! And thank you guys so much for supporting me. It's been 6 months since I started my YouTube, so it's been really, really, really amazing, and I've had so much fun, and I hope you guys have had fun too.